Right. Now keep in mind that it's 88,36 meters, but now look, the school gets two quotes. One is from Company A that charges 1,000 Rand for coming out to do the job and 150 Rand per square meter. So they've got a fixed cost of 1,000 Rand and 150 Rand per square meter. So the bigger your area, the more it's going to be times 150. Then they've got Company B who also gave a quote, and they charge a flat rate of 162 Rand per square meter. I want you now to write an equation that could be used to calculate the cost of any job Company A does. Not this job that we've just spoken about at the school, just a general equation for any job that it does. You must use the information here in the red. Let's see if you can do that. Just remember that when it is Company A, when we're talking about 1,000 Rand for coming out to do the job and 150 Rand per square meter, we work out the cost. So you must, and it's an equation, so you must have cost equals something. You can't just write down without having something on the left-hand side of an equal sign and something on the right of the equal sign. So I would start by writing cost of job equals and then write your equation. Okay, let's have a look here. I'm going to help you for those of you who are struggling. Cost of the job, it costs 1,000 Rand plus. That's the fixed cost. 1,000 Rand plus, and now the variable cost. It depends on how big the area is. We're going to say 150 Rand times the number of meters squared of paving. You can add that in or just write number of meters squared. So let's go, I hope you got that right. We're going to go back and look at the next part of that question. Next one, B says, which company would be cheaper for the school to use to do the paving in question 1? So now you've got a formula for Company A, but you have to write a formula for Company B as well. And then you must decide substitute the value 88,36 into your formula to see which one would be cheaper, Company A or Company B. But I'll tell you what, first write the formula for Company B. Let's see if you can do it. Cost equals, remember, something on the left, something on the right. Right, Company B, let's write our formula quickly and see if you've got it right. Sorry about the scratching in the middle here, but Company B, the cost of job equals 162 Rand times number of meters squared. So now we've got the formula from the question 2A and we've got the formula for the Company B. We've got it written down here. So let's see if we can work it out. Let's do Company B since we've got the formula right here. It's 162 Rand times how many square meters? If we go back to our question, the previous question, it was 88,36 meters squared. And if we work out that answer, we get 314 Rand and 32 cents. That's the cost for Company B. So Company A, it's going to cost equals 1,000 Rand plus, now it's 150 Rand times the number of square meters, which is still 88,36. We get 1,000 Rand plus, if we multiply these two together, we're going to get 13,254 Rand. And if we add that, we're going to get 14,254 Rand. Now notice, even although got no sense, we still have to write the 2 zeros. You must do that, otherwise you might lose marks in the exams. You must put these two numbers, of 2 digits after the comma, because it's money. Always with money, we've got to show the cents as well, even if it's 0, 0. Now, if we look at these two amounts that we got, which one is more? Because the question said, which company would be cheaper? So what you can do to work out if you look at the cost, comparing the cost, you must show this. You say 14,314,32 minus 14,254 rand equals, and you say company A is 60 rand 32 cheaper. Please remember, you must show some calculation. Usually there's some mark for showing the actual value and for saying company A. So you might get company A is cheap, and then saying the amount, you get another mark. So remember to do that when you do your calculation. Okay, I hope some of you got that correct. Well done to those who did. Let's carry on. I've got another situation here for you.